Anyway, we're in race mode. Oh my god. Woo! Damn, look at that sunset. This bike is dangerous. Race mode, baby. I got to grip so hard. What's going on, guys? We got another vlog. We got the V4S. It is a nice sunny day. I've got rotate, damn it. I got my 360 camera at the back. Let's hope it stays put. Nope, it's moving, for frick's sake. We're gonna have to pull over and sort this out. So annoying. Let's try that again. Welcome back. I need fuel, which is annoying. So yeah, the weather's nice, but you know, I never get the V4 out. Does have a little bit of fun. So that's what we're doing. We're gonna try and have some fun. Fuel, man, really? Do you know what? I'm gonna go put some super unleaded in. That's what we're gonna do. See you guys. Do you know what, guys? Yesterday, right? I did a mad. Actually, no, I'll say shit. I did a mad ride. No, I did a ride that was so good. Fully spirited ride, like full race mode. And I should have filmed it, and I didn't. I don't know why, but I mean, I was just in the mood yesterday. I was like, I don't really want to film. I just want to ride for me, and that's it. And now afterwards, after the ride, I was like, damn, like you guys would have liked that ride, man. Like that was a serious ride. See, I kind of regret it just a teeny little bit, but there'll be more to come anyway. It's fine. So yeah, we got the bike out. It needs fuel. Something smells like rubber burning. I don't know what the hell that is, but boy, I don't know. Oh my god. This bike is so aggy. Jeez! I need some fuel. I know this bad B gon' need it. So what's the Supreme? Wait, what we got here? What? Supreme 185, that's not that bad. I can live with that. I'm hella covering that up before you guys go shopping on my bank card. Hell no. Thank you. Do you know what? Someone needs to comment below, right? Oh, hell no. What the hell is the equivalent of like E8, or no, E85 would be E85. I need to find someone that does Tesco Momentum 99, because apparently that is even proven to be a bit better than the V-Power for the quality of fuel, which is crazy. How much is this bike gonna take? Don't take 15. Yo, I can live with that. Not bad. 89, bruh. Trying to thief money from me? Some theft. Damn, look at that sunset. What is all that noise? What the hell, man? Woo! This bike is dangerous. Race mode, baby. I got to grip so hard. gosh, race mode is so aggy on this thing. Oh, I love it. I do love it. The thing is, first gear in this, right, is so aggressive. All it will do is just pop a wheelie, and I've got like my traction and all that stuff's low. Hell no. Nah, man. Look at that noise. Why is there some weird crackling? So that was my one of our vehicles. You Les, I don't care. Taken. Guys, we're just quickly pulling up to this nice spot, which is actually a really nice park. And I have no idea how busy it's gonna be or we're gonna be in here, but we're just riding. We're just seeing what's what. Seeing what's what. And some heat in my tires, man. She's just picking her nose. This bike, guys, this bike without the mirrors, I don't know why. It might be placebo. It seems so much more flexible with no mirrors on, which I don't understand because the mirrors don't really. Okay, adds a little bit of weight, but like nothing major at all. Okay. Do you know what I just realised? This might be actually a good place for like a photo shoot. What we got going on in here? Hey, just chill your ass out. That sunset is gorgeous. Gosh, do you know, since we're here, I might as well get a walk around of this beast. I might as well show you guys the V4. Excuse me. Which one of these are my brighter lights? Oh, that's what I want. These two. But these are clean. Oh my gosh, it's so dirty. But anyway, peoples, that's the V4. There's bare people here. Yeah, this thing's sick. Let me roll it forward. Damn, she looking good. I need new front tires. How much is that gonna cost? A lot. Everything for damn Ducatis are just expensive as hell. And I need my racing exhaust. Did you know I should have? I should have brought my camera. Could have got like a nice sunset shoot. I would go to the back. I kind of don't want to show my plate at all. And my camera mount came loose. So annoying. So that's not great. But yeah. So roller skating. Who can do that? Anyone here good at that? I used to love doing that. Anyway, she is in all her glory. So you guys, I was thinking to go somewhere down there, but The sign says no unauthorized vehicles. I mean, it's a Ducati, so technically it's authorized. And they look like they've got some sort of fare here, which is actually decent. For those that don't know, this is Dulwich Park. It's actually a 6-spot, really nice park, very chilled. So yeah. Alright, we're riding on. We're getting out here. The clutch release is so late on this bike, but if you know how to work it correctly, you just have to be quite smooth with it, so it's not like really choppy when you're moving off. Where am I going? I'm not going right, that's for sure. That doesn't lead to anywhere good, so we might have to go. Where are we going? Maybe we'll go left. Yeah. Alright. Picture gallery. Some nice houses. Wait, is that a private road? You know, I've never been down there. And I guarantee you, you're gonna see some nice cars parked up down there. Look, I mean, look at these houses, right? These are like millions. See the tree house. Yeah, all these places are worth millions. Like, I mean, millions. A lot of money. Alright, I need a place to get a good sunset for you guys. Oh my gosh, the throttle on this bike is... Do you know what, let's close this. Oh shit! See? Even there, it power wheelied, like bruh. How you wheeling like that? Oh my gosh. Lean! Gosh, this bike is so fast. Oh my goodness, I love this thing. Yeah, that bus basically said he gives no Fs. No Fs given. No F's given at all. Yo, this bike is weird. Why is it wheeling so easy? Well, it's in the race mode. It kind of makes sense, right? Bike's just wheeling for no reason at all. Well, there is a reason, because obviously I'm hitting the throttle, right? But you guys, you know what I mean. Anyway, Rev, I need somewhere where I can get a nice. The sunset looks crazy. Do you know what? I know a spot. I know a spot. I do know a spot. Bike, the way it changes direction, oh, it can give you some funky feelings. Real funky feelings. Yeah, I just love it. Oh gosh. Uncle's car. So wait, he's Saturned it now. Yeah, I do like that. Yeah, I need to take that for a drive still. Look at the sunset. Oh my gosh! Nope. Photo moment. Yo, that is sick. Damn. No way, put it in first gear though, because otherwise, you know. Yeah, see? You don't want to roll. That's why I did that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. The car looking good. But guys, we're chasing sunsets, not even rainbows. We're chasing sunsets. Oh my goodness, look at that. No cars to hit me. Oh, my car looks so good.
6.5 hours later.
Damn. Ah, this area is gorgeous. Guys, you know, I wish you could see the view. I want to try and zoom in on this video so you can see the view, but guys, this is beautiful. To be fair, I don't actually now want to leave this area that I'm riding in because this view is just, yeah, that is gorgeous. But you know what we need? We need a thumbnail. So, gonna quickly. Wow, I am lost. I was so far away from where it was. Don't judge me. We need a photo moment. Do you know what we're gonna have to do? Let me jump one.
A few inches later.
Hopefully no one drives this way and we're good. Hopefully. Oh gosh, trying to push us up the hill was a joke. Ooh. Okay, stand, photo, quick. Ooh, damn, you look so good. Next road. Let's see what the next one holds for us. Yeah, so guys, around town in these slow movements, you've got to kind of feather the clutch. If I didn't say that already in any video, you kind of got to feather it, especially when you're going around corners. And at low speeds with one hand like this, my legs are literally squeezing the tank, so that when it's all jerky, I'm not kind of getting, you know, like thrown off. That would not be very fun to be thrown off this bike. Oh my gosh, it's like the gateways of heaven just opened. Are you serious? Oh, it looks so good. It looks so good. Oh, it looks so good. It looks so good. I'm sure that's an M4, possibly. Oh, that view is goals, that view. Do you know, I kind of feel like get an M4 convertible, you know, guys. Like, I want a summer vehicle. Like, yeah, the M4 coupe is there. I kind of want a convertible, though. I know it's an M4. It looks nice. Nice blue. And let's see the view from this hill. Hill number 2. Alright, it's covered up. He always covers up, man. He'll never leave it exposed. Jokes. Nah, man, this view is, oh, it's so gorgeous. Anyway. Nah, man. That view is something else. Oh, that looks amazing.